I'm Sheldon from Cube Developments, and I'm here on site to give you an update on the soon-to-be completed Oasis development. The construction team and all the subcontractors are working hard on the final stages of the build, and we're so close to wrapping it up. We can't wait to show you around in the coming weeks and see the incredible finished product. You'll continue to see scaffolding come down, landscaping start, and the pool and gym area being finished off. Internally, quality checks are being done and ongoing cleaning of the apartments. Stay tuned, as we're nearly there with this outstanding and, in my opinion, the best development of Bonk Beach.